As you realize, in the beginning of the video, I showed you that I have a cracked BMW M6 wide body kit. It's a custom front bumper. So this client bought the car from the auction. Front bumper is completely destroyed. The hood, it's a carbon fiber hood, so we're gonna try to save it. So we're gonna do our best. I'm gonna show you all the process, and thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and let's start. So this is a stock BMW 650i. Maybe you're asking me, why do I need the stock front bumper? The thing is that we didn't buy it. This is for our friend. The solution is to have a basic part so we can start do the molding. We're gonna preserve the paint, we cannot scratch it, we cannot leave any residue behind. I'm gonna vinyl wrap this whole part in here, and we're gonna figure out how we can get a really nice mold out of it. After we finish the vinyl wrapping, we're gonna start laying the fiberglass, and you will see all the process. Would have like mold, a clean one, and then so we can paste it on the M6 wide body kit. Basically from this side, the whole side is similar to this one, but the only difference between those two, like that, it's wider. So we're gonna start now with the vinyl wrap, and we'll see how it goes. Now we're gonna move on to the next step. The first step is already done. We have now the molding. Now this is the hardest part, is to match it with the front bumper. So we're gonna cut, weld, we're gonna see how it goes, and just keep watching the video and you will see the end result. We're trying to take some measurement to see how we're gonna lift the headlights. So that's what we did. Now both headlights are good together, but the thing, the whole subframe is not straight. I will show you what's going on. So basically the problem here, this whole thing is not straight. I don't know if you realize. Look at the space on this side. Look at the spacing on this side. Look here at this part. Look there at this part. You see, it's instead of being like that, it's like that. But we managed, if we put the front bumper and everything, we managed to put it right. It's not a big deal. Like, I adjusted the headlight and everything, but the whole thing is not straight at all. Now we're gonna see in the video that we did adjust some of the parts on the frame of the car, and we did align all the headlights together. After we did take all the right measurements, we have everything lined up on the same level. Started to fill all the gaps on the front bumper with some fiberglass Bondo and even some automotive Bondo as well. After that, we did sand everything so we can make it smooth and looks good. Now we will see in the next video how it looks like. We did adjust everything together. Thank you for watching this video. Basically, this is the first part of how we aligned everything, how we fixed the front bumper. We still have the hood, we still have the rear fenders, we still have the trunk. We still have a lot of stuff we're gonna do on this car. So basically, this video is only for the front bumper. This is only the first step. We still have a lot to go. Alright, so make sure to follow, like the video, so you can get all the rest of the videos, because this is only the step one of, I don't know how much we still have. And if you have any question, leave any comments you want. Thank you so much. Have a good one.